If you're thinking about moving to Montgomery County, Maryland in 2025 or 2026, the map is shifting in ways that you really need to know about. Prices, commutes, new schools, new developments, they're not the same as even a couple years ago. The good news is, if you understand what's happening right now, you can make a really smart move and feel confident you landed in the right spot for life. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, I'm Caryn Gardiner, born and raised right here in Montgomery County with over 20 years experience helping hundreds of young professionals, families, retirees, and buyers of all kinds find the perfect home and community that fits their lifestyle here in Maryland, DC, and Northern Virginia. So if there's anything we can do to help you, please don't hesitate to reach out. One of the biggest shifts this year is how walkability and access to transit is really driving decisions. Bethesda continues to draw buyers because of the red line and everything you can do on foot. Restaurants, shops, fitness, parks, you got it all there. In Edgemoor, for example, just west of downtown, you get these beautiful tree-lined streets, but still minutes from town and the metro. The only downside is it is expensive. The median single-family home price there is around $1.6 million, according to Bright MLS data as of January 2025. But there is a range, and condos in Bethesda can be found for far less. When I help clients moving here from big cities, I always introduce them to Bethesda Row because it has that city energy, but with a neighborhood feel. And for metro commuters, being able to skip traffic, because we do have a lot of traffic here, is a huge bonus. Potomac still appeals to people that want more space, more green, and a more suburban feel, but still want to feel connected. You'll find a really good mix of long established neighborhoods and new construction in spots like Avenel near the golf club. Bright MLS shows the median price for single-family homes in Potomac at $1.3 million, but you can find older homes for less than that, and the newer construction is going to run a lot more than that. People just love the easy access to the Potomac River and parklands. I mean, I grew up hiking and biking those trails, and it's still one of the first things I talk about to families that are relocating here who want outdoor space. Head a little bit north and you hit North Bethesda, an area that's transforming fast. The Pike and Rose redevelopment has created this little mini city with restaurants and nightlife and a bowling alley and iPic theater. And they have a lot of condos that give you a walkable feel, but at a little bit lower entry price point than Bethesda proper. Condos are hovering around the mid 500s, and single family homes can run about the mid 900s and higher. The Purple Line and the bus rapid transit upgrades that are right now under construction will make this part of the county even more connected to the rest of the DMV. Rockville always remains popular because it balances price, space, and access to metro depending on where you are in Rockville. King Farm, for example, was built to be a planned community with its own shops, grocery store, and parks. Median single-family prices are around $750,000, with townhomes closer to $600,000. I recently helped a family move here from Texas choose Rockville because they wanted space for their kids and a home office, but still needed an easy train ride into DC. And the value compared to Bethesda, it really surprised them. Beyond those long established hubs, some fast-growing areas are also pulling attention. Clarksburg and parts of Gaithersburg have a lot of new construction right now and newer schools. But anytime you're looking at brand new construction neighborhoods, it's really smart to do your homework. Pull Montgomery County permit data, look up builder reviews through sites like Trust Builder, and of course, get a strong independent inspection. That's not because the neighborhoods are bad, it's because with any new build, details vary. If you're curious about things like safety and school boundaries, Montgomery County provides public crime data dashboards and MCPS, Montgomery County Public Schools, boundary maps online. I always send my clients those links, and I will put them in the description of this video so they can look at the official data themselves. It's the safest way to make decisions that are right for you without relying on anyone else's opinion. 2025 and 2026 also has some really important infrastructure and school changes coming. The Purple Line, which is our new metro line, and the new bus rapid transit lines are right now under construction. They will change commute times, but also bring some, hopefully, temporary disruption while they're being built. Also, and this is really important whether you have kids or not, but it's important for resale value to know this, Montgomery County is opening 3 new high schools in 2027, and the boundary adjustments are right now under review. So if schools are important to you, watch the MCPS website for the latest maps and proposals. Taxes matter too. Property taxes here really haven't jumped dramatically, but the county is evaluating some adjustments. I'll link to the official Montgomery County tax estimator so you can run your own numbers. Here's something a lot of buyers don't know. Montgomery County's planning site has an interactive development map where you can see approved projects. So if you're worried about future construction or want to know if retail is coming near you, it's worth a look before you commit. And here's a personal tip. Whenever I tour homes with clients and the home has a big addition or major renovations, I pull up the county's permit history on my phone. It's public and it shows if big renovations were done with the proper permits. It's just a quick way to avoid any surprises. The bottom line, Montgomery County is dynamic. Walkable scores are driving some decisions. Redevelopment is reshaping commute patterns, and newer communities are popping up. But you can make really smart decisions by looking at the official public data. Some price trends from Bright MLS, crime stats, Montgomery County's public dashboard, and the latest from MCPS, the school site, and the county planning sites. If you're planning on making a move this year or next year, and you like help interpreting the numbers and figuring out where you'll be happiest, just reach out. That's what I do every day. You can connect with me at needhomeinfo.com, or you can just email me at Caryn01@gmail.com. And make sure to subscribe if you want more insider tips. My next video will walk through hidden costs and traps Maryland buyers should know about before writing the offer, and some ways to save money, so you're not going to want to miss it. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!